Welcome to Kashipara website. Today we are going to run online library management system website project. As you can scroll down little, you can see this is the project ID. You can search by this in our website. Little lower you can find the options to download the source code, which is not more than 50 MB, in project documentation also with clear explanation of the project, which are downloaded as zip file. Now go to the new tab and go to the XAMPP installation website, where you can find the installation files for different operating system. Choose based on your operating system. I have already installed XAMPP on laptop. Let's go the downloaded project file folder. I have already unzipped the downloaded file. Let's move forward. You can see few files and open library_old folder. Here you will find all the PHP files, image file and libsql, which is database for the project. Let's go to start and open the XAMPP control panel. Open it using as the administrator because it will give more options to control this, and start the both Apache and MySQL server and wait till they started successfully with the assigned port numbers. As you can hear, the Apache port number is 80 AMD 443 and the MySQL server with the port number 3306. Now let's go the Chrome and go to PHP My Admin panel to create the database in the SQL server and create in the name of lib end. So in here, you can see in the SQL server I have already created the database lib here. You can see it contains the files like author, book, category, contact, role, tag, title, etc. Tables were uploaded using the libsql file end. Let's go to the local host by entering the shown URL and move to the library_old folder. Hooray, our website is live and running. Let's go the admin login here. Enter the email ID as shown here and the password as test. And click on submit. This is the librarian panel where you can issue books by the selecting name and you can add more data too. This is all about library management system interface, and you can also change edit background based on your requirements. This is the main interface. Kashipara is one of the leading free source project website portal available. This is all about the online library management system created. You can also watch demo by clicking on here. You can also request if any final year project in any of the programming language. So this our YouTube channel where you can find the working of all PHP projects. Here you can find all the videos, the PHP project explanation in the step-by-step manner. If you are beginner, you can also find the step-by-step PHP installation from here free of cost. You can also find about the new software release and its specifications in our website. Please subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.